Okay, I know how to change your card deck. Go into Quick Play. Sorry, another ad popped up. And then hit Card Battle. And then don't get into a match, but at the bottom there should be an edit deck button. I was falling off my bed and I couldn't get back up. You see it, Skylar? You got it? So, see, this is where you can enter a bunch of stuff. I don't know. We'll be doing the... in your other mode or in cards? Okay. Hold on again. Why do I keep going to the edge? Actually, I think I'm just gonna do... Actually, let's... Yeah, I'll do this one battle, then I'll outthrow it. Because this is like the third part of it, and the last one was probably 40 minutes long, and I don't even know how long the first one was. Ooh, Ice Flow. So these are all the cards, guys, I have. Oh, he skipped Ice Flow. Ooh, Swan Lake. See, so I have this sub, I have this ship, then I have the magical monkey. And, ooh, that's the Cobra. I do not have him. He costs 5,000 medallions. But then you get him full rank. But he's so good. Like, here, I'll show you. But he's really bad. Like, he steals health. But, and gives you money.
Where? Oh, him?
Yeah, but he's really bad at attacking. Like, he needs a lot of backup. 5,000. See? Oh, this guy's summoning balloons in me already. We can play that game. You wanna play that game? You can play that game like there's no tomorrow. And she can beat that game like there's no tomorrow. Although he did take 1 piece of damage. As you can see, I only have my ship upgraded to tier 2. I haven't upgraded at all. I only have it at tier 2. He's hacking. Oh, never mind, it's his shuriken. Like, all of the balloons were popping out of nowhere, but it's his shuriken. It has a following thing that you can get. And let's get another ship. Now thinking about it, I probably shouldn't have got the submarine. Okay, I'm gonna save up cash until it's round 8, because there's a certain type of balloon that's really strong, and gives me a lot of cash for income. It costs 75 though, but it gives me 3 cash per income. Wait a sec. Okay, watch. See, yellow balloons spawn in really fast, and they spawn in 5. Look how far they're going. See? He's just taken 67 damage. Okay, let's upgrade my defense a little more. My phone's only at 14%, but it's on the charger. It's been on the charger the whole time. See, look, I can spawn in rainbow balloons, but I don't want to. Actually, check this out. Metal balloons. He can't break them. They're gone. This guy is hacking. Okay, so apparently he can break them. But this guy is hacking. See, they're just disappearing. I'm versing a hacker in this game. Like, the metal balloon just disappeared. And I know it's not his shurikens because it can only do 1 damage. And not break metal balloons. Here, watch, I'll show you the Cobra now. See, wired funds and attrition. Watch. Every 15 seconds, steals 2 health, adds 2 health. It depends on what mode I'm in, but I'm in double mode. I'm in both modes, so it will do both. So it will heal me and hurt them. Oh, I didn't buy it. Whoa, I just got a offensive push. I don't even know what that does. I've read it before, but I can't remember what it does. Maybe it makes him like, nope, I was gonna say, maybe it makes him able to defend on his own. Oh no, I can't break metal balloons. Lowest level wizard monkey can, though. So let's get one over here and over there. And let's level them each up. See? It's a good thing I just got those monkeys. It would be better if they had lightning. Yeah, there's a metal balloon. Oh, it's gone. I need to get him lightning. Oh, is he really gonna try that? Come on. Actually, get you lightning. See, I knew I should have got the top one lightning. Why do I ever not listen to myself? There. Oh no, he sent a blimp. Look, he disconnected. See, if they disconnect, it gives you half a minute to get back in, and if you don't, the other person automatically wins. And I just automatically lost. Oh, I'm alive, and he disconnected yet.
You're versing a player 2? Send it to me.
I need 2,500 cash. Then I'll get the red blimp. See, 23 is what I was using on Skylar. It instantly summons the 9,000 one. I paid, see, 23. I was paying that to instantly summon it on you, instead of 9,000 to just slowly summon it. Make it stronger. Make me stronger. Should win. Unless I die before the time, but I am healing, and he died. Victory, yeah, victory. See, so we both betted 5 medallions, so I took my 5 medallions back, and then got his. So, woo!
So it's practically, you lose 5, or you win 5.
Or I could watch an ad for free, so I'd either win 10 or lose 9. But I don't do that, because ads are ads, and I'm
Dude,
recording
how is
too.
this blimp coming in so quick? It was like...
I don't know, but you wrecked it quick.
Oh, because of someone there.
After this guy, all. Well, I hope you have enjoyed.
Okay, then let's...
Please subscribe, like,
Oh.
stop.
Wait,
Hey.
what?
Can't win them all. It's so sad when you lose. Oh, and look, if you go to the shop, look, I'm quite sure you can like buy it so that you delete your entire record of winning and losing. Let me see. Quite sure that is here somewhere. See right here. Look, here it is. Special items. advanced state. Reset your win/losses stats, but it's $3. There's the farmer. Automatically collects bananas for you. Farmer will auto-gather all bananas in his radius, so you don't have to. You must have a banana farm to use it. What is this? Oh, customization. Monkey Banneker ship. The Banneker and its upgraders join the Navy. Visual only. Okay, so it's like a bunch of skins. And see, they throw in like medallions to also get you to try to buy even more. See, if I bought all of those, if I got any of those, it would give me 5,000 medallions. What are these? Turn all your projectiles silver for 10,000 medallions. And then if you get that, then you can buy a gold one. But it costs 75,000. Oh, look at this chat pack. Laugh out loud. Or convince your enemy. Oh, so it's like 10 more emoji kind of things for $2. See, people want that in Clash Royale, but you spend, like, your trophies or stuff on it. Or things, like gems or whatever. Like, go to the store and you can buy skin packs or more emojis or stuff. Throughout all of Clash Royale, we've had the same 4 emojis. Okay. Please subscribe, like, this is the second time I'm saying it, and bye!